everybody. I believe we're going to try to get the front wheels on the Tahoe here. See if we can get some things moved around. I'm going to put you right here in the shade. So maybe you can see what we're doing.
Welcome to Never Done Projects. Yeah, that's the name. We are the original, silly little YouTube channel on your internet machine. The best you've ever seen. Hit that like button now. Subscribe for a while. Comment what you think is true. Join our members crew. Only $4.99 a month. That's a steal, that's a stunt. On the wall by the road, you'll be a part of our family. No religion talk, no politics here, no controversial junk, no fear, no outlandish stuff, no way, just good vibes every single day. Don't need no inappropriate conduct here. No time for stupidity. And always try to have a good time and make yourself happy while doing something today you can smile about tomorrow. Only $4.99 a month. That's a steal, that's a stunt.
Whatever you do, don't turn sharply. I like the way they look better than what's on it. Yeah, I like what these look like better than what's on it. Kind of looks funky having wheels and tires on it again. Alright, be right back. Alright everybody. We got the hood off of it so we can get to it. That's totally why. Let me get my protector.
Get my starting fluid too.
We got gas in it this time.
Yeah, but it ain't, it's still got to get up here.
Yeah.
You need to fix something. Don't get that fan.
Mike can set it up on the underneath the windshield wiper.
It won't go up as far as hooked to this.
It won't lean all the way up there. I mean, nope. You right.
That's what I'm saying. It's got to be out of the way of the fan and the tire.
Well,
which I know we ain't gonna do nothing to see if we get it fired, folks.
so let's see here. Red to red.
sad to sad. Oh, y'all heard that? Something clicked. Dash lights ain't on. We're gonna need a little more than that. Idea. Potentially a bad one, but an idea nonetheless. That scared me. Skip my Viking 1000 cold cranking amps from Harbor Freight. It was being sold as an open box. What somebody did is they opened the box and took the charger out, because I never got the charger for it, but it still works. All right, so I should be able to set you. You're not magnetized, so do not fall. Set you there and you to right there, and potentially need to be able to. Does it matter where I clip it? As long as it's ground, I guess. Let's find out, shall we? Well, I'm trying to get enough voltage to it. Let's see. We got a green light, so it says we're good to jump it. Oh, got my hazards on. You don't get much better than that. I don't care what nobody says. But, y'all hear that? It ain't knocking. I'm gonna assume that we have oil pressure. I'm gonna assume that too. Hey, will the alternator keep it running now? With no battery. Alright, so the Viking's off. This thing ain't ran in what, 5 years? You don't need a battery. How's that song go? About to do some sketchy-ish doo-dah, doo-dah. Hope I get away with it. Yeah, I know, that's why I'm trying to.
You ain't got no brake fluid.
Cool.
Listen, don't start no shit now. You ain't got no damn brake fluid. You ain't got no brakes. What? It ain't no fluid in it. There's no sense of pumping air into it.
I got part.
See if it goes in reverse.
I have no throttle. Oh, I got drive. I got brakes. Yeah, I got brakes. I have no throttle though. Where we want to put it?
Hell, back that thing that way. Cause you ain't got a long time, it's gonna run hot. It ain't got no water. Go on front of Vivo. You need to go straight back.
I have no throttle. Let me see, is everything even plugged in? Yeah, it's plugged in. I just have no throttle. But that means still a good motor.
She's hot, I smell it.
That's why I shut it down. Well, First drive in the Tahoe.
Be right back, everybody. Take two.
She ain't happy with it. I can get it throttle now.
Put it in neutral.
Something's not happening.
It's in neutral park.
Well, apparently just don't like me in it. Bitch. Now start, damn it.
You're gonna have to go just a little bit more over that way, but you're pretty damn close. You don't want to back in. Which has probably got something to do with it getting hot. And probably the voltage meters.
Yeah, and reverse charging prohibited.
That's what happens when you try to do something without a battery. The other way. Just like that. Go straight back. Start turning. Go straight back. I don't want to have to move it if I got to move the trailer now, so. Well, we know we got a good motor and transmission right here because it is moving. We did drive it around at the house before we parked it. That ought to be good. We can still get the truck out. All right, George, let's don't blow it up. Well, there you go.
Don't tell me I can't do something.
We definitely know we got a good motor and transmission. It does shift.
Well, does it go out of first?
Well, we don't know that, but
We
it
don't
goes.
know yet.
We, you know, what we normally do, we don't need much out of first.
Yeah.
All right, be right back.
Tahoe move. All right, there's a frog. We come to you now, right where the Tahoe used to be, and we're gonna work on getting this frame out. I don't know, I got a bad feeling about that. Don't you? It's going downhill.
So it's going to use this thing as a bumper. So if it does start to roll with it should hit the front of the tractor.
Yeah, and it's gonna bust out your lights and tear up your grill.
How's it going to do that? Once it comes off the trailer, it cannot make it from the bumper. Will it not hit that first?
It's in between the two pieces of the. It's in between the frame
rail.
rail.
Hit that frame first before that frame hits my tractor.
I don't know. I think it's pretty close. Here's that tire that we used to have on this thing.
Put that on it.
Hi, Captain.
Either way, you got to hook the chain up because they got to be able to pull it.
Hey, we got to seal the Tahoe's intake. You know, he is a typical sit on his butt and tell people what to do. Be back in a minute.
Board. The damn board out from under the, it's not gonna roll. Why put the board there?
You know. Somebody come get him. Free to go.
I had it right there so it would get filled perfectly. What's wrong?
wheel back straight.
Ta-da, she's unloaded.
Thank you for watching our video. We hope to see you tomorrow for another episode of Never Done Projects. Remember to like, subscribe, comment, and share with a friend. And tell them if these idiots can do it, we can too.